Congratulations to all the new graduates and welcome to the Alumni Association family. I'd like to celebrate with you by making a Scarlet Spritzer. So what we're going to do, 4 ounces of cranberry juice, and then we're going to go with 2 ounces of vodka. And then we're going to go with 4 ounces of a sparkling water, key lime flavored. So we're going to stir this up a little bit. Then we're going to pour this over a nice glass of ice. We're going to add a splash of ginger beer and top it with cranberries, a nice lime wedge. As you're enjoying your refreshing drink, it's a great opportunity for you to think about all the ways that you can stay engaged with your alma mater and the Alumni Association. If you're looking for a new career or a new job, we have career services. And if you're looking for an opportunity to enhance your leadership, we have the Young Alumni Academy. And if you're moving to a new place, we have clubs across the country, a great opportunity for you to meet new Buckeyes in a new place. I'm so excited to celebrate this milestone with you. It is so special to be a Buckeye. Please drink responsibly, and as always, go Bucks.